Start with short example, page number 73. Second example, Ajay Sharma repays the borrowed amount 3,25,000 rupees by paying 30,500 in the first month and decreases the payment by 1500. Means he has to repay this much amount to the bank, but he is paying the first installment of 30,500 and next installment he is paying like that. For next each and every installment he is paying 1500 rupees less than the previous installment. Then I will say that then you have to find out how long will it take to clear the amount. Means you have to find out n is equal to you have to find out question mark. Means within how many years he will repay this amount to the bank. Then this is the first installment. Next installment is less than 1500 than the 30,500. Everybody understand? Means the common difference is minus 1500. D is equal to minus 1500. Then I will say that let the time required to clear the amount be n years. Means within n years he will clear the amount. Then first month he pay 30,500 rupees. That is T1 is equal to A is equal to 30,500 rupees. First installment is of 30,500 rupees. Then the monthly payment decreased by 1500. That is D is equal to minus 1500. Then Ajay wants to repay this much amount, 3,25,000. Then you have to utilize the formula Sn. Sn is equal to, because Sn is given, so Sn is equal to n upon 2 to A plus n minus 1 into D. You have to put the value of Sn. You have to keep n as it is. You have to find out n. This value of A is 30,500. Value of D is minus 1500. You have to put these values. So 325,000 is equal to n upon 2. 2 multiplied by A is equal to 2 multiplied by 30,500 plus n minus 1 into minus 1500. Then here you have to utilize the distributive law. But here you have to write this 30,500 in the form 2 multiplied by you have to write this as it is you have to write, but you have to write this 1500 in the product of the 2 multiplied by 750. 2 multiplied by this you will write like this, 2 multiplied by 750, and this plus multiplied by minus is equal to minus. So this will come minus. So this n upon 2 as it is. Here you have to utilize the distributive law. These are the two terms. You have to multiply this n upon 2 by n upon 2 multiplied by this term and n upon 2 multiplied by this term. So this becomes n upon 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 30,500 minus this n upon 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 750 into n upon 2. You have to strike this 2, you have to strike this 2, you have to strike this 2, you have to strike this 2. Whatever remain that you have to write that as it is. This will 325,000 is equal to 30,500 n. This n multiplied by 30,500 n is 30,500 n. The product of this and this will come this, and this will cancel. At that time n multiplied by 750 is equal to 750 n into n minus 1. Everybody understand? Then here again you have to utilize the distributive law. This multiplied by this and this multiplied by this. Then this 325,000 as it is you have to write 30,500 n as it is you have to write 750 n multiplied by n you have to write here, and 750 multiplied by 1 here you have to do. But this minus multiplied by minus is equal to this will come plus. This you have to keep in your mind. Then 325,000 is equal to 30,500 n minus this n multiplied by n is equal to n square, 750 n square plus 750 n. You have to transpose all these right side terms to the left side. These plus terms become minus and minus term become plus. When I will shift all this term, at that time next step will be this 7 minus 750 n square become plus 750n square. This plus 30500n become minus 30500n. This plus 750n becomes minus 750n plus 325000. This 325000 is equal to what you have to say 0. Then here these are the like terms, you have to add this term. After adding this term, this answer will come like this. 750n square as it is, you have to write. This sum will come minus 312500n plus 325000 is equal to 0. Then if you want to reduce this equation, at that time divide both sides by 250, because this one is divisible by 250, this one is also divisible by 250, this one is also divisible by 250. After dividing by 250, this become 3n square minus 125n plus 1300 is equal to 0. Then this is the quadratic equation in the form x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then I will solve by the factorization method. Then I will do the product of the first term and the last term. 3n square multiplied by 1300 is equal to 3900. So to factorize this 3900 like this, minus 60 and minus 65. This will come minus 60 and minus 65n is equal to minus 125n. Then factorize this product such that the sum will come the middle term. Then this minus 125n you have to write like this, minus 60n minus 650n plus 1300 is equal to 0. This you have to write in the product form. You have to do the group of the first two term and group of the last two term. You have to write in the product form. 3 multiplied by n multiplied by n, and 3 multiplied by 20 means 3 multiplied by 20 means 60 into n. This 65 as it is, you have to write this 1300, you will write 20 multiplied by 65 is equal to 0. Then here within first two terms you have to take out 3n common. If you will take out 3n common, at that time n minus 20 will remain. Here you have to take out 65 common. If you will take out 65 common, at that time what is remain, n minus 20 will remain is equal to 0. Within these two terms, here n minus 20 you have to take out common. At that time 3n minus 65 will remain here. At that time you have to equate these brackets with 0. This n minus 20 is equal to 0, 3n minus 65 is equal to 0. Then n, you have to transpose this minus 20 that side, that becomes plus 20. You have to transpose this 65 that side, this minus 65 become plus 65. This multiplied by 3 becomes divided by 3. But this 65 upon 3 is not the natural number. This is the rational number. But n is the natural number. So the years will come in the natural number. So you have to say that this is n is equal to, therefore what you have to say, therefore n is equal to 65 upon 3 is not possible, therefore n is equal to 20 is the answer. So this amount he will repay to the bank within 20 years. Within 20 months, not year, 20 months he will repay this amount, 3,25,000 within 20 months to the bank, and you have to find out the value of n. In this way you have to find out the value of n. I think you understand these things. You have to write these things in the notebook. Thank you.